I want creamy pasta tonight. I want creamy pasta tonight.
I also want lemon tea. I also want lemon tea.
It smells very delicious here. The rain looks beautiful tonight. My pasta looks so delicious. My pasta looks so delicious.
This pasta tastes really creamy.
This lemon tea feels refreshing. This lemon tea feels refreshing. Thank you for this wonderful dinner. Thank you for this wonderful dinner. I really enjoyed this restaurant. I really enjoyed this restaurant.
The city feels peaceful tonight. I love rainy nights like this. I feel very happy tonight. I feel very happy tonight.
I want hot tea. Before sleep. The rain sounds very relaxing. I feel calm tonight.